सो हे गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। और आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ 3 अमेजिंग यूट्यूबर्स जिनका कंटेंट बेस्ड है मेंस फैशन और स्टाइल पे। और मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ शायद ही कोई ऐसा टॉपिक हो रिलेटेड टू मेंस ग्रूमिंग और डेली लाइफस्टाइल स्टफ जो उन्होंने नहीं कवर किया हो। और नंबर 3 पे जो यूट्यूबर है, आई थिंक इस प्लेनेट का सबसे बेस्ट मेंस ग्रूमिंग चैनल है। सो मैं आपको स्ट्रॉन्गली रिकमेंड करूँगा कि आप इन्हें ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट।
You need to quickly analyze the situation, take a look at her, who she's with, what she's wearing, and use that as ammo. And it sounds like a lot, but it's really not. Basically what you're doing here is trying to figure out what is happening around her so that you can think of something to say. Let's say she's wearing gym clothes, for example. You can go up to her and ask her, hey, do you go to my gym? I think I've seen you there. Or anything gym related, really. Like, it's so easy to just think of anything to say. Or if you guys are at a grocery store, you know, and she's buying something for her pet, you can ask her about her pet, ask what kind of pet she has, what kind of dog or cat, whatever. The most important thing here is to act fast. Don't wait around. Give yourself 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Hey, yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy, Jose Zuniga, and for today, we're gonna be going over 12 texting rules that every man should know. That's right, you heard me correct. I said 12, not 10, not 5. I'm gonna break all the rules from my usual videos for today's video because I see so many guys screwing this simple thing up. So today I'm gonna show you what you should and shouldn't do to make sure that you never look like a fool. Let's hop in. Number 1, don't send mass texts. Sending one generic text to all the girls in your phone may sound like a good idea to you because it's efficient, but trust me, women have like a 10th sense when it comes to this stuff. Sending somebody a generic text message will rarely elicit a response, and if this is the girl you really like, you're gonna want to put in a little bit of effort. Number 2, using
even stylish guys like you and me occasionally make mistakes. Today I'm going over 7 mistakes though that stylish men never make. The first mistake that stylish men never make is inappropriate poppin'. Gentlemen, poppin' collars. There is a time, there is a place. I'm gonna go over both. When it comes to appropriate poppin', there are a few rules that I like to go by. In terms of shirts, like polo shirts, dress shirts, you should never, under any circumstances, pop the collar. But there are some collars that do look amazing when popped. Peacoats.